There is 7 days till Congress. I look like a sick hobo and I have not packed yet. Great.
NAYC, or what are referred to as Congress, is a huge Pentecostal conference hosted by the UPCI, where thousands, I'm talking 30, 40-some thousand, youth and adults from all over the US, and even other countries, gather in some Midwestern city every other year over the span of 3 short, but extremely life-changing days. It's amazing.
Part of getting ready is cleaning myself up, cleaning my life up, cleaning my room up. You know how it is.
Step 1, look at the mess that you have in your room and judge yourself because you don't know how you let it get this far. Well,
several days later.
I'm still not packed or ready. So, how's work? Oh, you're just not the talking type. Okay. Now that I got some food in my stomach for the first time today, it's time to secure the bag, secure the fits, finish cleaning my room, get it together. Let's do it.
The next day.
Alright, so behind me you see bags, including a luggage one. Why? Well, part of the get ready with me is going to my favorite place in the whole wide world.
The laundromat. Yeah.
Also, why am I washing my bag right now?